Biotechnology is going from the smallest thing and then like cells, and then basically working your way around any product you can think of. I'm Mariana Carolina. I'm 25 years old.
My name is Marcus. I am 24 years old. I chose the study line because I want to pursue a career within cell engineering. I just found it so interesting that we could engineer stuff and perhaps even make a better world with it.
There are many biosolutions available to deal with some of the big issues we are coping with worldwide. So we generate a lot of waste streams, and if we can find a way to use the right microorganisms to use those waste streams to make other products than they did initially, that would be very sustainable, way more than it is today.
I think learning about how this can work and what you can do with it is really fascinating. And then nowadays we need sustainable solutions for so many different things. So learning more about it, it's really important.
Biotech has what I think for many people is an unseen impact on the world that we always use. If we take Fermenter, as we have here beside us, it offers a solution for us to make a greener world. I just think it's cool.
So on top of some core competence courses and the options to have a specialization we offer, we are also very much taking into consideration that each individual student coming from a different university can build on top of the knowledge that the student already have. In other words, we have a lot of flexibility in each individual student can choose specific courses that fit very much into the profile they want to obtain at the end.
It's very fascinating to look at a molecule and then be like, what's going on here? And then analyze it from a more biological point of view. So it's really cool.
We have many options, both for theoretical courses and also for practical courses. And the thing I like about DTU probably the most is that we have the ability to make special courses.
I think I've always been a very curious person. So I like understanding how things work in a very particular type of way. Like I like diving deep into how things function. And I just think, like even in high school, I thought biology was super fascinating. So I think I'm at the right place.